Welcome to Ask the Lawyer radio podcast with attorney Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This podcast features a recording of our most recent radio show aired on WVIP 93.5 FM radio weekly in New York City. We hope you enjoy the show, which features news, views, and interviews on matters such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. You can contact us at 855-768-8845 or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. You have questions? We've got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Yes, it's 2023. What's happening in 2024? The presidential elections. What's the problem we have again? KKK Russian Trump. But KKK Russian Trump, as we call him, or as I call him, I think obviously, when God talks about the devil, he's the devil reincarnated. But there are many devils in America. And this is an important discussion because it is an issue where U.S. immigration law is impacted, U.S. civil rights law is impacted, and we have to understand the consequences for black and brown people in America. If you do not understand your history, what is going to happen? History is going to repeat itself. That's why we had World War I and World War II, where Germany was the aggressors. Why are these Germans, based on history, bad boys? Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Well, after analyzing data from KKK Russian Trump's first election, the Midwest is who gave Trump power. 75 million Americans voted for Trump. Obviously, some black and brown people voted for him, but what do you expect when you're uneducated, even though you are a millionaire? So education is important. Understanding history important. But in the Midwest, we have a dominance of German Americans. And these German Americans, they are serious KKK. Yes. And what does that mean? Well, they don't like black people. They don't like brown people. They don't like some white people. They don't like, gay people. Damn. There's a lot of things that they don't like because they believe that white people are superior. Well, they're wrong. However, it's 2023. 2024 is coming. Are we going to allow KKK Russian Trump to take back power so that he could kill more black people and brown people in America? And yes, he has killed people. He has killed people based on his policies. He has killed people based on the various budgets that prioritize issues that shouldn't be prioritized. So issues like segregation, civil rights issues, healthcare issues where obviously he doesn't want us to get good medical care, and if you don't get good medical care, you die. So what do we say to our people in this election coming up? Well, we may have to settle for Joe Biden again. Is he the best option that we have? No. The only option that we have ever had was President Barack Obama. So we need a man of color, a woman of color in the White House. But we have to indulge ourselves with another Biden term. See how lucky some white boys are? You could become the president of the United States of America because you're not the best choice. You're the only choice. So when we talk about democracy, what does really democracy mean in America when you have two parties? Yeah, all led by white men. White men who don't care for anything that is not white in a pure way. Don't tell me you love me, Biden. Show me how you love me. You know, please. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. If you feel a need to be better educated, I suggest that you enroll for our paralegal program. It's virtual. So you could take it if you live in Trinidad, Jamaica, Barbados, Grenada, St. Vincent, St. Lucia, Ghana, Nigeria, the whole African diaspora. Again, my name is Brian Figueroa of the law firm Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. Our areas of practice is civil rights, immigration law, wills, trusts, and estate and succession planning, personal injury, matrimonial law. Yes, give us a call. Support the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Our paralegal website is www.freeparalegal.org. Again, www.freeparalegal.org. Register for our programs, browse our law firm website, Figueroa & Associates, Ask the Lawyer, www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. If you understand American history, when the slaves got their freedom, for want of a better word, in 1869, the U.S. population, or I should say the black population in the U.S. was almost 20% of the U.S. populations. So African Americans need reparations. African Americans, we can do so, put our number back to where it's supposed to be and imagine what it could have been, please. We do so by having a favorable immigration policy that favors Caribbean Americans, Africans from Africa, Africans from Latin America. And we could bring in some of them brown brothers, although a lot of them think they're white, unfortunately. You know, the American definition of black and white, they talk about 1/8 in the U.S. Constitution, or how it was. So some people obviously do understand what America means by white and black. All right. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. So come to America, get your green card, work. You know, all those people running across the border, I hope it was more black people running across the border. Yeah. We need more black in America. We don't need more cream in the coffee. We need more black in the coffee. And is there anything wrong by this? We need to correct history. We need to educate our children, our wives, our husbands, our grandparents, our grandchildren, because in America, you do not learn black history. And for those of you outside of America, please, you do not understand black history. And even in the Caribbean and other countries that were dominated by, obviously, the English or whoever, you think they will teach you black history? Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. I also suggest you look at the jobs that we have opened on our website. We are looking for workers who could work with us in the virtual world. Peace.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.